So good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I'm really looking forward to today. I think this is going to be a fun day. So give me a thumbs up in the chat if you can hear me, just to make sure that the system is up and running here. Hello. Yes. Perfect. Beautiful. Thumbs up. Excellent. Thank you, guys. All right. So thank you for joining us today. My name is Kyle Ringenberg. I am co-founder and CTO of Dimension X. And it is my privilege to welcome you to the inaugural Metaverse Creators Summit. I'm thrilled about today's events, but today is really only the beginning. And I think that's an important point that I want to emphasize. What we're doing today should not stay here. Instead, this should be a catalyst to grow the Metaverse creators community. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about, is building a community. The next generation of computing will only happen if we, all of us here and those outside of this summit, connect and work together to learn, connect, and create together. This is the reason that we've taken the time to establish this MC Summit, as well as Metaverse Creators.dev, which I'm looking for my slides. There we go. Perfect. As well as metaversecreators.dev. So this is a website that you can go ahead and visit. This is designed to be a collaboration hub. So they'll give you links to our Discord server, to our Slack channel. We're going to be updating this with news, with information, and really what we want this to be is to be a centralized spot so that all of you all can come together and collaborate and learn and grow and really push this new technology that we're calling the metaverse forward. Before I continue, I do want to quickly solidify a working definition of the metaverse. It seems like you get 3 futurists in a room, you're going to get 4 definitions of metaverse. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot to define what we define as the metaverse. So basically, the term has only recently become mainstream, but its building blocks have been around for literally decades. So from augmented reality, virtual reality, to massively multiplayer experiences, and the Internet of Things to digital twins, right? These things have been around for a while. But we define the metaverse as the coalescence of these various technologies. It's a framework of communal experiences that blur the lines between the physical and the virtual. That's a wordy definition, so I'm going to give you a shorter one. Put more simply, it's the next iteration of a more immersive internet. That's where we're going with this thing. And our keynote speaker is going to deep dive into this. I can't wait to be able to introduce him to you all. So just real quick background on myself. I've had the opportunity to work with many of these metaverse building blocks throughout my career in flight simulation, virtual reality development, and actually creating some brand new XR augmented reality technology. So this is really my area of expertise is immersive experiences coupled with advanced visualization. Now, interestingly, throughout the decades, I've noticed there's a common thread that's been woven through the flight simulators I've created, the VR headsets I've developed for, and XR technology that I've co-invented. And unfortunately, that thread is exclusionary complexity. The technologies that form the foundation of the metaverse are complex, annoyingly so, often to the point of disillusioning creators and storytellers. The result is really kind of a dystopian metaverse, devoid of meaningful experiences and ruled by a single just behemoth company. That's not where I want us to go. I reject that vision of the metaverse. Instead, I am a big believer in a democratized metaverse. One that increases both depth and breadth of knowledge through engaging experiences. A metaverse that enables true, meaningful community built on shared experiences. And one that empowers anyone with a story to tell to do so in new and immersive ways that improve lives. That's why we're all here today, is to learn about that, to try to learn how to build that. Our theme for today is learn, connect, create. So I cannot wait to learn from our awesome speakers, starting with Matthew Ball in a few minutes, wrapping it up with Thrill Seeker and Fia. Our networking sessions will give us a chance to connect and grow the Metaverse creators community. Also, we have an upcoming hackathon on December 9th and 10th in collaboration with Turbo Makes Games that'll give us a chance to collaboratively create using some cutting edge technology. We'll provide more information on that hackathon as the day goes on, but it should be an awesome event to build and develop together.